Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you Flashfreeze Heroes is on, how to play Flashfreeze chapter of your event in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can chance the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap this Heroes event and you can jump into Flashfreeze chapter. Tap this new chapter. So, Flashfreeze aka Dimitar Berbatov, you can learn about this biography. Cold-blooded in front of goal and cool under pressure. Dimitar Berbatov was best friend with big moments and many more. So this is like like previous chapter, the motor, tricky base, the conductor. You have to challenge yourself in this like daily challenge. Frozen Magic, play skill games or matches to get Flashfreeze token. Yes, you have to earn this token. Like you can play the skill games, watch the ads, and also play match game, and claim this daily reward, and open this reward path, freeze the page. And after that, the top reward is Dimitar Berbatov itself, rank up player, and also mixed fashion player. You can choose one of this milestone reward. So challenge yourself in this Flashfreeze event or chapter. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.